Is that a mummy? Hi, boys and girls. It's Owlette's birthday, and the PJ Masks and friends are here to celebrate. Let's see what they do. Happy birthday, Owlette. Thanks, Catboy. I love your hat. Thanks. So all of these containers here are filled with presents for you from us. Yeah, each of us got you 2 whole presents, and we're gonna watch you open them. Yeah, it's gonna be totally awesome. Just wait. Oh boy, thank you guys. Hey, me first. Open mine first. Okay, Catboy. Let's do it. We'll start with the color red because you're red. That's right, my favorite color. Open it. Ooh, I love red. What's inside the Play-Doh? We'll have to dig. Ooh, look. It's a birthday cake. What's a party without a birthday cake? Thanks, Catboy. Everyone, let's eat. Yum. Calm down, Romeo. Ooh, yum. Next, we have the orange present. Cool. Open it. Ooh, let's see. Wow, that's a lot of Play-Doh. Oh, it's a baby owl. Oh, thank you. Oh, she's so cute. I'm gonna keep her forever. Owlette and owl. Aw. Oh, thank you for the presents, Catboy. I love them. Oh, you're welcome, Owlette. Happy birthday. Aww. Hey, it's my turn next. I got you yellow and green. Yeah, bring them over. Okay, here's yellow. What's in here? Oh, some yellow Play-Doh. Oh, what's that? Ooh, it looks like a strawberry. A red strawberry, my favorite fruit. So healthy too. Thank you, Gecko. This will go great with the cake. Yay! You're welcome, Owlette. Now open the next one. Okay, Gecko. Ooh. What could be inside? I don't know. Lots of Play-Doh. Oh, I see something buried in there. What is it? Oh, it's a little lizard. Kind of like me. I thought maybe he'd remind you of me since I'm a gecko. Oh, he does. So cute. Oh, I wonder if he'll get along with my owl. They'll be best friends. Oh. Oh, ew. Okay, enough already. It's my turn. You open my gifts now, okay? Okay, Luna Girl. Pick the blue one. Here we go. Ooh, is there even anything inside? Ooh, I think I see something. Whoa, shiny. Wow, it looks like a red ruby. Whoa. Luna Girl, where did you get this? I might have stolen it. What? Just kidding. Maybe. Wow, it's beautiful. Oh, thank you so much. so shiny. I wonder if it has powers. If it has powers, I'm taking it back so I can keep it. Just kidding. Wow, thank you. Now open the purple one. Okay. Here we go. Purple. What was that? Something is in there. What? What is this? It looks like, it's a baby bottle. What? I'm not a baby. I thought maybe you were turning 2. Oh, Luna Girl, this isn't very funny. I don't need a baby bottle. My turn. It is my turn now. Well, yes, it's your turn. Well, it's my turn to open your presents that you gave me. Yes. Ha ha ha. Okay. Here we go. Open the pink one. Pink? Ooh, what's that? It's a shield. Oh, I've always wanted a shield. Wow, Romeo, that was very thoughtful of you. Hey, but doesn't this look like Captain America's shield? What? I don't know what you're talking about. Hey, is he missing his shield? What? No, never! Romeo, you stole this from him. I have to go give it back now. Sorry. Open the next one. Ooh, it's white. Let's see what's inside. Wow, that's a lot of Play-Doh. We'll really have to dig for this one. Romeo, what did you get me? Wow, what is that? What is in there? Hey, this doesn't look very nice. Romeo, what is this? Is that a mummy? Happy birthday, Owlette! Come on, Luna Girl, let's get out of here. Woohoo! Quick, let's fight him! Birthday powers! Yaha! Yaha! Quick, back into the Play-Doh! Ready? 1, 2, 3! Ooh! Yay, we did it! Those mean villains tricked us! I thought they were gonna be nice on my birthday for once. Yeah, me too. But it was still a pretty cool birthday. Yes, it was. I'm gonna put my hat back on. Hooray! Happy birthday, Owlette. Thank you. You guys are the best. I had the best birthday ever. We had so much fun celebrating. Happy birthday to you! Yay! Let us know if you'd like to see more PJ Masks videos in the comments. And if you liked this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe or hit the like button below. Thank you so much, everyone!